active and passive voices. Now let's crack. Match the following and complete the sentences. आपको दोनों को मैच करना है. The child has been rescued by the police. The furniture has been made by the carpenter. The building had been destroyed by the earthquake. The exhibition was inaugurated by the Prime Minister. We can start a sentence either with the subject or the object. This is decided by the voice of the sentences. Voice is the form of the verb which indicates whether a person or thing does something or something has been done to a person or thing. आपके पैसिव वॉइस में क्या होता है? वॉइस के अकॉर्डिंग हम जो वर्ब होता है वो ये इंडिकेट करता है कि कोई काम किसी ने किया है या कोई काम किसी के लिए किया गया है. तो दोनों में डिफरेंस आ जाता है. तो ये हमारी वॉइसेस होती हैं. नाउ काइंड्स ऑफ वॉइसेस, देयर आर टू काइंड्स ऑफ वॉइसेस, एक्टिव वॉइस and passive voice. When a verb shows that the subject has done something, it is known as active voice. अगर subject ने किया है तो active voice. When a verb shows that something has been done to the subject, it is known as passive voice. अगर subject के लिए किया गया है तो वो passive voice. Now read the following sentences. Rama helps Hari. Hari is helped by Rama. In sentence 1, the verb helps shows that the subject Rama does the action. Such a verb is said to be in the active voice. In sentence 2, the verb is helped shows that the action is done by the subject Rama. Such a verb is said to be in the passive voice. First में क्या शो हो रहा है कि रामा एक्शन को करने वाला है, डूअर है, उसने किया है. और सेकंड सेंटेंस में जो सब्जेक्ट है वो रिसीवर है, वो रिसीवर बन चुका है, उसके लिए किया गया है, तो वो पैसिव वॉइस है. Both the sentences express the same meaning but they are written in different forms. दोनों का मीनिंग सेम है लेकिन उनकी फॉर्म डिफरेंट है, अलग अलग तरह से वो लिखे गए हैं. Passive voice is possibly only if the verb is transitive, i.e., if the verb is followed by an object. An intransitive verb cannot have a passive voice. जो intransitive होगा उसमें passive voice नहीं होगा क्योंकि हमें उसमें subject और object दोनों चाहिए होता है. Voice is changed in the same kind of sentences, that is, if the active voice is in the interrogative form, the passive voice will also be in the interrogative form. अगर interrogative form में active voice है तो passive voice भी interrogative form में ही रहेगा. Now active to passive जब आप change करेंगे तो कैसे करेंगे? Now study the following sentences. इनको ध्यान से read करिए, देखिए कैसे बने हुए हैं. She, now she is subject, posted is verb, the letter क्या है आपका? Object of active voice. अब the letter subject of passive voice, was posted verb और by her object of passive voice. Now general rules. We can change the active voice into passive voice by using certain rules. कौन कौन से रूल्स हैं? नंबर 1, सेपरेट द सेंटेंसेस इनटू द सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब एंड ऑब्जेक्ट. एक सेंटेंस को आप 3 में डिवाइड कर लीजिए, सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब एंड ऑब्जेक्ट में. जैसे एग्जांपल दिया है, राघव रोट अ लेटर, तो राघव सब्जेक्ट, रोट वर्ब, अ लेटर ऑब्जेक्ट. नाउ टर्न द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंसेस इनटू द सब्जेक्ट. अ लेटर, ये क्या है आपका? सब्जेक्ट. Write the be form according to the tense of the verb. A letter was subject verb. Write the past participle third form of the main verb. Main verb की third form आप use करेंगे. A letter was written subject and verb. Was written क्या है आपका? verb. Write preposition by. A letter was written by. A letter subject, was written verb, by preposition. Change the subject into object. Subject को object में change करना है. A letter was written by Raghav. A letter subject, verb was written preposition by an object Raghav. Now read the following examples too. Active voice, passive voice. Raghav writes a letter. A letter is written by Raghav. Raghav wrote a letter. A letter was written by Raghav. Raghav will write a letter. A letter will be written by Raghav. Raghav is writing a letter. A letter is being written by Raghav. Raghav was writing a letter. A letter was being written by Raghav. Raghav has written a letter. A letter has been written by Raghav. Raghav had written a letter. A letter had been written by Raghav. Some other rules for changing voice. If a verb is followed by a preposition, verb plus preposition, the preposition with the verb is retained in passive voice. वो किस में रहेगा? Passive voice में ही रहेगा. Mr. Dixit will look into the matter. The matter will be looked into by Mr. Dixit. If a transitive verb has two objects in active voice, we can make passive voice by using either of the objects. किसी को भी हम ऑब्जेक्ट की तरह से यूज कर सकते हैं. He handed her a form. Her is indirect object and a form is your direct object. A form was handed to her by him. She was handed a form by him. तो इस तरह से आप उनको लिखेंगे. Let's explore what variations takes place while converting active voice sentences into passive voice sentences in case of some major tenses. तो किस तरह से होता है देखिए. Simple present tense, an active sentence in the simple present tense has the following structure. किस तरह से करेंगे आप? जो है सबसे पहले subject plus first form of the verb plus object. तो ये किस पे है? Active voice में. A passive sentence in the simple present tense has the following structure. अब वो तो आपने एक्टिव में देखा था, आप पैसिव में देखिए कैसे होगा. पैसिव में आपका सबसे पहले ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द एक्टिव सेंटेंस is, am, are प्लस पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब प्लस बाय प्लस सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द एक्टिव सेंटेंस. जो एक्टिव सेंटेंस का सब्जेक्ट है वो यहाँ पर एंड में आ जाएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक्टिव वॉइस, ही ईट्स अ बनाना. पैसिव वॉइस, अ बनाना इज ईटन बाय हिम. जो यहाँ पर हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट था वो पैसिव में हमारा सब्जेक्ट बन गया और यहाँ पर जो वहाँ सब्जेक्ट था वो पैसिव में ऑब्जेक्ट बन गया. Now simple past tense, an active sentence in the simple past tense has the following structure. जो past tense का होगा उसका structure क्या है? Subject plus past tense form of the verb plus object. A passive sentence in the simple past tense has the following structure. कैसा होगा देखिए passive में? Object of the active sentence plus was verb plus past participle form of the verb plus by plus subject of the active sentence. Now, for example, active voice, they gave me a pen. Passive voice, I was given a pen by them. Now, simple future tense. An active sentence in the simple future tense has the following structure. देखिए क्या structure है simple उसका active में. सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस में एक्टिव का क्या स्ट्रक्चर है देखिए. सब्जेक्ट प्लस विल शैल प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. अ पैसिव सेंटेंस इन द सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस हैज द फॉलोइंग स्ट्रक्चर. अब पैसिव होगा तो क्या होगा देखिए. ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द एक्टिव सेंटेंस जो एंड में आया है प्लस विल शैल प्लस बी प्लस पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब प्लस बाय प्लस सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द एक्टिव सेंटेंस. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल एक्टिव, I will write a letter. Passive, a letter will be written by me. Now present continuous tense. An active sentence in the present continuous tense has the following structure. जो present continuous होगा वो किस तरह से होगा देखिए. Subject plus is am are plus ing form of the verb plus object. Passive sentence in the present continuous tense has the following structure. जब passive में change करेंगे तो उसका structure क्या होगा देखिए. Object of the active sentence plus is am are plus being plus past participle form of the verb plus by plus subject of the active sentence. जो वहाँ subject है वो यहाँ object बन जाएगा, जो वहाँ object है वो passive में आकर के subject बन जाएगा. Now for example, active, I am reading a story. Passive, a story is being read by me. Now past continuous tense. An active sentence in the past continuous tense has the following structure. Past continuous होगा तो देखिए क्या होगा उसमें. Subject plus was were plus ing form of the verb plus object. A passive sentence in the past continuous tense has the following structure. Passive में देखिए क्या लिखेंगे आप. Object of the active sentence plus was were plus being plus past participle form of the verb plus by plus subject of the active sentence. For example, active, my father was cooking the food. Passive voice, the food was being cooked by my father. Present perfect tense, an active sentence in the present perfect tense has the following structure. देखिए क्या होगा उसका present perfect tense में. Subject plus has have plus past participle form of the verb plus object. A passive sentence in the past continuous tense has the following structure. Object of the active sentence plus has have plus been plus past participle form of the verb plus by plus subject of the active sentence. For example, active, the cat has killed the rat. Passive voice, the rat has been killed by the cat. अब इसमें passive voice में क्या होता है, आपकी sentence की formation change हो जाती है, tense आपका same रहता है. Now practice and polish. Tick the correct passive voice of the following sentence in active voice. अब आपको जो correct है उसको टिक करना है. जैसे first है आपका she is drinking juice, तो इसमें से क्या आएगा आपका juice is being drunk by her. Next है आपका I will never forget this experience, तो this experience will never be forgotten by me. Next, mother made a cake yesterday, तो cake was made by mother yesterday. The boy teased the girl, so the girl was teased by the boy. She has written a letter. A letter has been written by her. In the following sentences, underline the verbs in green color and tell whether they are in active or in passive. तो verb को आपको underline करना है और फिर आपको बताना है कि वो active है या passive है, तो इसे आप करेंगे. Now change the following sentences from active to passive. अब 1 से लेकर 8 तक जो sentences हैं वो active voice में है, उनको आपको passive voice में change करना है. तो जो भी rules हमने ऊपर discuss किए थे उनको follow करते हुए आप 1 to 8 sentences को frame करेंगे. Now fun corner. Split students into groups of 3. Tell one group of students to write a story while the other 2 groups identify active or passive words. आपको क्या करना है, 2 ग्रुप में जो है जो भी आपके क्लास के बच्चे हैं उनको 3 ग्रुप्स में आपको डिवाइड करना है स्टूडेंट्स को, और फिर उनको क्या कहना है, जो उनमें से एक ग्रुप है वो स्टोरी को लिखेगा, जबकि जो 2 ग्रुप हैं वो आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे कि जो इसमें वर्ब है वो एक्टिव है या पैसिव है. It is best to put together the beginning, middle and end of the story and share it with another team so that they can provide feedback on whether or not it is written in passive voice or active voice or both. तो ये आपको एक्टिविटी है जो करनी है, तो आप इसे करेंगे.